Mushroom farming, a beginner's guide to growing a profitable business. Welcome to our channel. Have you ever imagined turning a small room, garage, or unused corner of your home into a business that produces fresh food and generates income all year round? Today, we're exploring one of the fastest growing agricultural opportunities in the world, mushroom farming. Whether you're a complete beginner, an aspiring entrepreneur, or simply curious about modern farming, this guide will introduce you to the fascinating world of mushroom cultivation. Let's begin. Mushrooms are unlike ordinary crops. They don't require large fields, expensive tractors, or acres of fertile land. Instead, they thrive in controlled environments where temperature, humidity, and cleanliness are carefully managed. This makes mushroom farming ideal for people living in cities, rural communities, or anywhere space is limited. The global demand for fresh mushrooms continues to rise every year. Restaurants, supermarkets, hotels, farmers markets, and health-conscious consumers all seek high-quality mushrooms because they are nutritious, delicious, and versatile in countless recipes. For beginners, oyster mushrooms are often considered the easiest variety to grow. They grow quickly, adapt well to different environments, and require relatively simple equipment. As growers gain experience, they may expand into Shiitake, lion's mane, chestnut mushrooms, or other specialty varieties that often command higher prices. The growing process begins with selecting quality mushroom spawn. Spawn is similar to seed in traditional farming, except it contains healthy mushroom mycelium ready to colonize a growing medium. Next comes the substrate, the material that provides nutrients for the mushrooms. Depending on the species, growers commonly use straw, hardwood sawdust, agricultural byproducts, or specially prepared growing blocks. Proper preparation of the substrate is essential because contamination from unwanted molds or bacteria can quickly ruin an entire crop. Cleanliness is one of the most important principles in mushroom farming. Every tool, container, and growing area should be kept as clean as possible. Once the substrate is prepared, it is inoculated with mushroom spawn. During this stage, the mycelium slowly spreads throughout the growing medium, forming an invisible network that eventually produces mushrooms. Patience is important because healthy colonization lays the foundation for an abundant harvest. After colonization, environmental conditions are adjusted to encourage fruiting. Fresh air, adequate humidity, proper lighting, and suitable temperatures signal the mushrooms to begin developing. Soon, tiny pins emerge from the growing bags or containers. Over the following days, these pins expand into beautiful clusters of mature mushrooms. Timing is everything during harvest. Mushrooms should be picked at the appropriate stage to maximize freshness, quality, and shelf life. Gentle handling helps preserve their appearance and reduces damage during transportation. One of the greatest advantages of mushroom farming is efficiency. Compared to many traditional crops, mushrooms require relatively little space while producing impressive yields. Multiple harvests can often be obtained from a single growing block before the substrate is eventually composted or recycled into garden fertilizer. Like any agricultural venture, mushroom farming has challenges. Maintaining consistent temperature and humidity, preventing contamination, monitoring air circulation, and developing reliable markets all require planning and continuous learning. However, with dedication and good management, many growers transform small operations into thriving businesses. Marketing is equally important. Fresh mushrooms can be sold directly to consumers, local grocery stores, restaurants, chefs, health food shops, farmers markets, or through subscription produce boxes. Some growers also create value-added products such as dried mushrooms, mushroom powders, seasoning blends, growing kits, and educational workshops. As consumer interest in healthy eating continues to expand, specialty mushrooms are gaining recognition not only for their culinary appeal, but also for their unique textures and flavors. This growing demand creates exciting opportunities for farmers willing to invest in quality production and excellent customer service. Success rarely happens overnight. Every experienced mushroom farmer started with a single batch, learned from mistakes, improved techniques, and gradually expanded production. The journey rewards patience, consistency, and a commitment to producing safe, high-quality food. If you're considering starting your own mushroom farm, begin small. Master the basics before expanding. Document your progress, learn from experienced growers, and never stop improving your growing methods. Thank you for joining us on today's journey into mushroom farming. We hope this video has inspired you to explore one of agriculture's most innovative and rewarding opportunities. If you're considering starting your own mushroom farm, begin small. Master the basics before expanding. Document your progress, learn from experienced growers, and never stop improving your growing methods. Thank you for joining us on today's journey into mushroom farming. We hope this video has inspired you to explore one of agriculture's most innovative and rewarding opportunities.